Mmm. Ma'am banana. So delicious. I love it. Mmm. Oh, telephone key. Where's my phone? Oh, hello? Oh, how are you, darling? Nothing much, just enjoying my cake. Yeah. Yes, me and my husband, we went to my favorite a cupcake shop. So we got some delicious cupcakes. Girl, I love this. What are you doing? Oh, you're at the house by yourself? Girl, it's a Thanksgiving weekend. What are you doing at home by yourself? Where's your happy? Where? Are you serious? By yourself? So he went to Vegas to party without you. I'm not gonna tell her that, but that little bitch of hers deserved a good beat up. Oh, I'm so sorry. Mm-hmm. Number one, you don't allow him to go anywhere without you. Okay? Seriously, that's what I do with mine. Okay? And he knows what's up. He can't like even think about going anywhere without me, girl. Okay? So you need to make sure that is established between you two. Okay? Girl, I'm gonna tell you what's up, okay? That's rule number 2. I mean rule number 1. So let me give you rule number 2. You know, your man is so hot and fabulous, all those bitches will be on him. So you need to do whatever you gotta do to protect him, you know, being trapped by those hoes. Yeah. Girl, you know I'm a Somali, so I know what's up, okay? Like my culture, man married 4 wives. So whatever I need to do to keep my man tamed. And you need to learn from me. I don't think you Americans are exposed to that kind of traumatic experience. Like seriously, do you know how it feels to have your man marry another woman? It devastates you, literally, like physically, mentally. Listen, I'm Somali. Like almost every Somali man I know has 2 wives. So let me give you the how to deal with it. Okay? Let me give you the ropes on how to deal with this issue. First of all, you need to keep your man tamed, like I mentioned earlier. You need to make sure everywhere you go, you guys go together, and he works around the house, do all the chores, cook, clean, keep him busy. You know, just keep the Negro busy, girl. That's how you keep him. Seriously. For shizzle, that's what I do. Girl, you know how I do it. You know my man, all he requires is hot and fabulous sex. That's on deck, you know. And everything else is on deck for me. So just make sure you get that under control. Honey, I'm sorry you have to spend the weekend, Thanksgiving weekend by yourself. Well, my boo is here and we're enjoying our fabulous cupcakes. But listen, call your man. Go to Vegas if you have to go. Like, literally, if you need to take a car, holla at your girl, I'm gonna hook you up, okay? Or if you need an airplane ticket. Because I want you to be with your man. I know how that feels. So go be with your man. Don't let him, you know, go around by himself. Be with your man, girl. Okay, honey, call me anytime you need anything, okay? I'm here for you. Sisterhood. You know, we sisters, we got to stand up for ourselves. And we got to stand up for each other, too. And look out for each other. Okay? I love you, honey. And also, if you need anything, please don't hesitate to call me and let me know what's up. If you need anything, I'm here for you. Okay? Alright. Love, darling. Mwah, mwah. Adios. Oh my God. Poor her. Do you know how devastating that is? Like, I can't have my man wandering around, okay? I love my man just as much as I love these cupcakes, okay? Sister gotta have her cupcakes and also her man. So I feel her pain. I feel her pain. God bless these cupcakes. God, I got cupcakes all over my hand. Well, darlings, alright, adios. Love from Mahobasville. We're looking hot and fabulous. I'm feeling hot and fabulous. A lifestyle. Please subscribe and follow me on Facebook and Twitter, Mahuba Fabulous, so you can explore my fabulous world. Stay fabulous, darlings. Love from Hubbarsville. Cupcakes. Adios.